when they go to the career fair and they meet all these different contractors and companies, they'll put on their resume they had welding. It's another tool in their toolbox. I don't teach them anything that they don't need. When students come to the weld shop, it's typically in their junior year. Landscape management comes through their senior year. I give them 3 different ways of learning this. I'll put it on the board, I'll have them watch videos, and then I take them out into the shop and we do the hands-on. So when the students are practicing, there's a lot of frustration in the beginning. But I keep after them, and sooner or later, the light bulb goes off in their head, and they say, hey, Mr. Brown, I got it. I know what I'm doing now. I won't let anybody give up. I stay with them until they get it. The students that come through welding do find the need down the road as they're working with contractors. If work is slow and equipment is broken at the shop, they can always go back and fix that equipment to help keep a paycheck coming in. What I like is being able to help a student get a good paying job, provide for his family, and keep working.